What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Rich, man. I'm back again with another video. I know it's been a minute. People don't grill me. I had a lot of stuff in order. But today's video, you guys, I'm here to bring you something on the truck. And it ain't too much, man. They got another wheel and rim set up. Still got a ways to go. You know, this is gonna be Project 1500. Like, that's what I'm naming it for right now, until I get a better name, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my wheel and rim setup. I did get another lift on it too, but right now I'm just gonna show you this. So check it out. So we went with the forged rims, fuel rims. My bad, you know. New to this truck game still. Got the what are these? 20 by 12 and a half, wrapped in 35s. I wish I would have went with the 12. Right now I can't even get into the damn car wash. Ain't nothing new back here. But yeah, man, I love these rims. I love these wheels. Obviously, you know, I'm keeping these for a minute. I'm gonna upgrade, but I'm still loving these everywhere I go now. I'm getting a thumbs up. So yeah, I'm guessing I did something good. But yeah, these definitely some eye grabbers. I ain't gonna say head snatchers, but I know I did good when I got these. They hold good pressure. Loving the look of them. They definitely stick out when I'm driving. See it stick out a little bit, but I love it. Being able to look through my rearview mirror or my side mirror, I should say. See them things sticking out, man. I love it. Yes, sir. Also, I did mention I did have to go with another lift, because when I bought the truck, it had a lift, but the lift was all jacked up, so I had to get a brand new lift on the truck. And let's see if I can show you some of it. I went with the Rough Country. Let's see if I can get in there. Probably better if I show you in the back. It's a little dirty, but the Rough Country lift kits. It's still a 6-inch lift. Nothing too big, but that's what I'm just starting off with. Of course, I'm upgrading. So yeah, guys, that's like an update I want to bring y'all. Yeah, like I mentioned, I said I also had to get a new lift on it, because when I bought the truck, it had a lift on it, as y'all saw when I bought it, but it was jacked up, so I had to get a new lift. So I went with the Rough Country. It's great. It's one of the top brands, so I'm glad I got that. Now it rides a lot smoother. I definitely, obviously, still want a lot more mods coming, but this is just a couple of things that I've done so far, which wheels and tires definitely had to be the first thing done. But still got some more things. Obviously, I want to get the truck painted, all the dents and stuff buffed out, taking off some of these badges, like these like Hemi 5.7 liter badges, that's coming off. New mirrors. It's a lot of stuff coming, guys. You just gotta stay tuned. Yeah, but like I said, I know it's been a minute, you guys. I'm sorry about that. I had to get a lot of stuff in order. And COVID definitely hasn't been my best friend. No, I didn't have anything, but it definitely kept me from wanting to do too much stuff. So I can't say that has been a big factor, but I'm not gonna let that hold me back anymore. So I'm gonna keep trying to bring more videos, even if it's not always about my vehicles, because I don't want my channel to always be about vehicles. I'm uplifting person as well. I like to bring positivity. I'm a positive person. So I like to bring positive stuff to my channel as well. Whether it's uplifting the person or just trying to tell people to be a better person in general. So I like to bring that to my channel so I could be doing something like that and just talking, anything like that. So I got some videos, some old videos of me talking like that before I even made this channel, so I can even just post stuff like that. But I got some older videos I can just post on here. But yeah, guys, like I said, just stay tuned. It's not gonna be a long video. I just wanted to bring you that update, and obviously update you with everything I got going on, and just tell you to stay tuned for any future videos and everything. We're gonna be back on track, I promise. I'm not gonna stay away long anymore, and I'm gonna keep you guys entertained, I promise. So this is your boy SRT Rich, man, signing out to the next video. Peace.